Let's see what this dude has to say here. Abhishek Banerjee. He says, "Hi, hope you are doing great. I am a natural." Oh, I'm doing fucking awesome, man. I'm natural too. "Do not plan on taking steroids anytime soon. He's not gonna juice, baba. Most of what I don't know, comes from reading articles on T Nation. I came across an article where HCGs was hailed as the safer alternative to testosterone. How much truth is there in that statement?" Okay, there's a lot of truth in that statement because HCG is essentially a synthetic version of luteinizing hormone. And luteinizing hormone, it precedes testosterone in the hypothalamic pituitary testosterone axis. What that means is testosterone is produced in your body through this axis called hypothalamic pituitary testosterone axis, so the HPTA. Most of you guys probably, if you guys ever watched More Plates More Dates before, you already heard the fucking HPTA term. So here's how this works. The hypothalamus, which is a part of your limbic system, which is the part of the brain that controls more basic needs like hunger, fear, your intention to find a mate, your intention to protect yourself. The hypothalamus sends a signal to the pituitary gland that then produces the hormone called luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone then travels all the way down to your gonads and signals a special cell that is in your gonads. Your gonads is of fucking balls, in case you didn't understand that, and called Leydig cells. And these Leydig cells, when there is a presence of luteinizing hormone, it starts a cascading effect where it transforms cholesterol and other amino acids and other biomolecules that are running in the bloodstream into testosterone. It's a cascading effect. It means it go through different stages. It doesn't become testosterone right out of the bat, but that's how testosterone is produced. The hypothalamus informs the pituitary gland that sends luteinizing hormone to your balls, and then your balls produce fucking testosterone. HCG is luteinizing hormone, essentially. So you are introducing in your bloodstream the hormone that informs your balls to produce testosterone. So it isn't so disruptive to the system because you are using a precursor to testosterone to ramp up your testosterone production instead of just jabbing a fuck ton of testosterone right inside your body without it, all exogenous, all synthetic, you know? So yeah, HCG is a safer option to exogenous testosterone therapy. Actually, people always ask me like, "Oh, if your testosterone was completely screwed up, would you go on TRT?" I would go on HCG before I go on TRT. If HCG could restore my natural production of testosterone, then that's the way to go. But why would I go on something that might atrophy my balls and fuck my entire system forever? I prefer to take a safer option first. HCG is also used by bodybuilders as a PCT protocol. So when you introduce a fuck ton of testosterone for an extended period of time, that HPTA that I just talked before, it gets shut down, meaning it doesn't produce testosterone because your body just identify, I have a fuck ton of testosterone running around the body, so I don't have to produce it anymore. So slowly but surely your fucking balls stop being able to produce testosterone. And in order to restore that natural production of testosterone after you spend a lot of time like juicing your balls off, then you introduce HCG, and this luteinizing hormone slowly make your balls regrow and go back to produce testosterone. So that's it, Abhishek Banerjee. Yeah, HCG is a safer option, but go talk to a doctor before messing up with hormones. Because hormones, bro, they are really complicated, bro. They work in a fine dance, and nobody, all these people that say they understand how this shit works, they are, look, even the greatest experts on the field, the real greatest experts, go on podcasts and say, fuck, we don't really understand how to balance this shit. So be really cautious with any chemical intervention that you introduce in your endocrine system, because this isn't a game, bro. And And fuck, bro, most people don't need it. Go take care of your fucking sleep first. Go take care of fucking nutrition and train, motherfucker. Because training releases a fuck ton of testosterone and other awesome chemicals that are going to improve your health and improve your lifespan and longevity. So training is the most important piece of the puzzle in my books. And fuck chemical assistance. Praise Brodin, baby. Woo! What's up, Dustin? How you doing, my brother? What is your educational background? How are you so knowledgeable? Always great advice, my man. Look, bro, I'm just a fucking nerd, bro. I'm just a nerd. Actually, I had if you took my education, my formal education, and put it side by side with the American educational system, I would probably had stopped at middle school because the Brazilian educational system fucking sucks. The funny thing is that I never had a biology teacher. When we reached high school, my city was too small and we didn't have like biology essentially. It was part of the curriculum, but the school didn't have a fucking biology teacher. So the subject that I liked the most, I was never taught anything about it, you know. I learned everything by myself, just scouring the internet like a fucking nerd, you know. Oh yeah, bro. Shit stuff around here.